How long this take you to come up? Where you do it? And a little...
You know that sometimes I make the rhythm them too. Sometimes we have people with us link up with.
Stand by. You know these things because you work in radio. Several artists on one rhythm, defining feature of dancehall for so many years, and then not. What happened? Producers started focusing on singles, and juggling went the way of the wind. But are they making a comeback? And are they the key to the genre's success? We're going to discuss now with disc jock and music producer Michael Brissett, a.k.a. Liquid. Good morning. How are you?
I'm good.
Good to see you, man.
Same
Happy
to you.
New Year and all the best to you for this
Same
year.
to you guys.
More juggling this year?
Of course.
Riddims this year?
Ready. I have 2 load up already.
Listen, we're listening to one now. This is 12 gauge.
Yeah.
What happened? What happened to juggling? Why did it die?
Remember, everything got through a phase still, and, it's just different stages in the music cause it. Sometimes, artists grow, them want kind of just branch out and say, yo, I want it for my own one, do them single. And sometimes you can't really get the artist what you really want to put the project together. You know what I mean? So sometimes you just say, yo, leave it alone now, man. Cause I can't get a killer, I can't get, a beanie or, if you get a juggling panel level, you leave it. And sometimes you have juggling where you just hear certain particular artists. So if you not really get them, it's like the juggling not really come together.
How do you match the rhythm with the artist? Or it don't matter?
It matters sometimes because, you have rhythms have moods. Rhythm are a mood
Rhythm
and
personality.
so every rhythm have it vibes. And sometimes you hear some rhythm, you can just hear certain particular artists on it, meaning, the music what them sing, the topics what them always, tend to discuss and stuff like that. So.
But here's the thing with our rhythm, right? You can think that it's the beanie or the bounty on the rhythm that's going to shot, and you can get an artist's voice on the rhythm and him song break out and leave all them tune there. So, some juggling come out with 3 people, some come out with 30 people.
And that's the beauty of juggling.
Right.
Because, it get it unpredictable sometimes. Because sometimes you have some song like 3-4 weeks, them around the whole place on the rhythm. I have a song come from nowhere, even artists I don't expect. And him just come and take over, and sometimes that give the rhythm longevity.
That's why I can't understand why we park it. Because if you can't get the artist you want, there's another artist on there who might be the one to break out. To me, dancehall without juggling is like a Nike shoes without the swoosh. Like,
yeah,
what?
because that, the genre start from there, from slang thing. Yeah, go on with it.
No, but...
it start from slang thing, which is, that was the first original digital dancehall rhythm jammies, slang thing. We have like about 20 or 30 songs. I have like about 10 versions of the slang thing. The slang thing was reproduced, reborn again more than one time, and it hit same way.
And sample 1,000 million times.
And you understand?
Sim touched on it a while ago because I was going to ask the benefit of 90,000 artists and one single rhythm. What's the benefit of
different
that?
artists?
Some people just kind of get annoyed with it and say, so him on a rhythm here too?
Yeah, but that's you. But if you hear your favorite artist on it, you're all right. And sometimes everybody have them favorite. And everybody would like hear them artists on it. And different artists begin different diaspora, different country, different eras of the world. So.
And the nature of playing a juggling is that if it's 30 artists' voice, you're going to play 10 a shot. Typically, anyway.
But eventually the music is released, and now we have the internet, so even if you don't hear them play upon the radio, them songs still stand a chance to blow up because Spotify, it's still out there to the world.
You mentioned a couple big artists' names just now. Do you want the big artists and all of the rhythm them where you come up with?
No, not necessarily. Not all the time, because sometimes you have some rhythm where you just want to focus on some young artists really and give them the shine and give them the light.
Again, how do you decide?
It's just a vibe more while, as I say, Sometimes you just have a rhythm and you say, yo, this project, I got to focus on some artists. This project, I got to focus on some female artists. Or this project, I keep it straight culture, reality, straight motivation. You have to really sometimes just have a team, and sometimes the music just jump out.
Yeah, you have.
Sometimes we just play a rhythm and an art. You don't even know who may show up at the studio, and it end up you don't even plan to start work on the rhythm, and it start work on.
Dancehall rhythm is one thing. What about reggae juggling?
We need some more of that right now.
My goodness.
We need some more reggae juggling. I just attack not only me, but overall as a selector playing, we need some more juggling, and we have a reggae artist them, and you know, I kind of see them, enough of them relax. Me say that. I not say them nah do music alright, but we not get no music right. We need some more reggae, like more reggae juggling. So I know enough artists that work on their album and all of that, and sometimes you have the fact of artists signed to the big labels, them can't release like them want to. And sometimes them depend on the juggling, you can't release them because the label have a plan for them already. You can't go against them all. You know what I mean? So a whole heap of factor in the music, man.
So do you think that the absence of juggling, because dancehall is taking a beating worldwide. You know, here comes Afrobeats, lick us off, our chart gone, dancehall chart, Afrobeats, Billboard said nope, not dancehall, Afrobeats. Do you think the absence of the juggling in both the dancehall and the reggae space has hurt us, has hurt the music, has hurt the genre? Yeah,
it hurt the genre a little bit because you have to understand, so in places like Europe where them look for that reggae juggling, you know, more than anything else sometimes, definitely hurt them certain market. You know, the Caribbean is a very strong market where reggae, when consume reggae music, very hard, same way.
Europe.
You know, Europe and
so the resurgence
Africa.
now, we're good.
Yeah, it's a good thing. 2024 are going to look good for reggae and dancehall.
How do you come up with the rhythms? You just sit down and...
Yeah, me come up with the rhythm sometimes. Sometimes my brethren them just have a bad rhythm with us here, with us listen rhythm.
Yeah, but how you come up with it personally?
Yeah, just a vibe. Sometimes I just have an idea. I say, yo, would I like? Or sometimes we just in the studio and start from one sound to the next. I just say, yo, I definitely want to sample this, or I definitely want to make a rhythm with this type of sound. Or
when you say you just have an idea, give me an idea of an idea.
An idea of an idea, you can just have you can make a sound on the and we just like it and you go from there. I'm gonna say, yo, record that. And you know, with the equipment, with the software and stuff what you have now, you can even change this sound to something else by tweaking it pitch or whatever. And
that's it?
Yeah, or you can just and you put it through some plugins and thing, and that CMU become a different sound. You don't even know. Then you put it in your MIDI controller and your keyboard, and you can play that sound in different keys and turn it in enough things.
How does the earning now look for? I mean, one time you used to be able to sell like a juggling to a VP, or you know what I mean? What does it look like now that the industry has changed so much? Can producers still earn?
Still earn, but definitely we have to do more promotion, same way. We definitely have to promote the music, because sometimes we think they're at a point where it's not. Just because the energy we get from Jamaica itself and or it big and it around the place. Sometimes we don't reach, they don't pass Miami.
Don't pass Palisades.
You know, so we really have to put in the work in promoting the music. And you know what I mean? Sometimes when it cool down and so, the world just already feed. That don't mean say it done. It just ready in the world. So we have to kind of spend some more time. But you don't know through music make fast at Jamaica. You know?
So tell me about the two you have lined up now.
Well, I have the remake of the 12 gauge, what we call the 20 gauge for release. That's one of the hit.
That's a lot of gauge. It sounds powerful.
Yeah, you know, dancehall have many faces, many vibes, many moods, you know. And I have a rhythm called the narcissism, which is, you know, more of a feeling, more of a in your feelings, in your vibes. You know
what I mean? Reggae? That's reggae?
A crowd between reggae and dancehall.
Oh, very nice.
So very moody.
Are you going to tell us who's on any of them, or is that?
Well, from here I go moody and in your feelings, chronic lad upon it already.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, that's not saying, you know, I followed it well serious same way. We're ready and up and running, you know.
Excellent.
All the best, President, and well done.
Keep on doing, and thanks for having me.
Yeah, man, keep on doing what you do.
Definitely.
Where Liquid come from?
Liquid is a name where, you know, I'm a brethren from Mobile. Mr. Bullins, Pier 1 chef over the years, used to call me the name there. As a teasing me for the original name, I used to go by the name Lippo. And he used to say Liquid, and I said, yo, stop calling Lippo, my name, stop calling me Liquid. And I'm forward that town and get the opportunity to change my name, and I decided to, the only name that come to mind that really makes sense. I'm saying, I use it, you know.
I did like Lippo still.
You did like it?
Yeah, what's wrong with Lippo?
Yeah, which artist we must look out for this year?
Look out for the Blind Youth. I don't know his name. I don't remember his name, but him have a vibe. Him there on Russian rhythm.
Nige boy.
Nige boy.
Okay.
Yeah, man, look out for the youth there. And whole heap of young artists out there I grow right now. But look out for the youth there, because he have potential and he have a vibe.
Yeah, man, good to see you.
Can we talk to Nigeria boy answer?
Why you make a rhythm called Neville?
Never.
Neferil. Never sound too serious.
Yeah,
It's
the
dancehall
Neferil
that have a
rhythm.
name Neferil.
Yeah.
You name it have a name
Sim Nev.
Neferil Trill.
Sim Nev.
I never see him.
That I got bad. That I got mad.
Sim Nev. No,
Let's do
hey,
it.
don't play me in a yo.
No, man, I'm not sure you say we come up with the name them
But
same
who get
time.
publishing after that though?
No, you don't get publishing for the name, for name in the rhythm.
Hey, but we are the inspiration, sir.
You know?
We work out a different team.
Take care, my brother.
Yeah.
Friend.
This champion music producer, Michael Brissett, a.k.a. Liquid, Sim Nev.
Can work.
And we all work out the dance.
Watch 24. Yo, 24 go by this. It's a shock dance. You know, see, it's a rhythm. Come, Nev. It's a shock. It's a shock. Ready? Ah, hey, it's a shock. Oh, hey. All right, take it, master.
You're excited.